Alright, here we are at the depot at Tom Jones, just getting a sense of the size of it, some of the damage. I wanted to get a close-ups of some of this. Definitely got quite a bit of deterioration on the roof. Got the sliding door here. Got some electric there, but it appears to be dead. I just can't figure out where they disconnected it because it seems to be connected over here. I'll just have to trace that out. A little bit of rat on some of the beams. They did a little bit of work there. There's the back side. Number 2. That's the inside. A circle on the upper. Back to the front. Chimney was up there. It's got some good solid walls on the lower part. Some numbers here that I don't know what they mean. There's electrical there. Sliding door here. See if we could open this. Just a couple of collar ties going across. Extra framing up there at the peak. Okay. Flooring. Kind of hard to tell. 1x6 maybe. And some wider boards looks like.